Hello everyone, welcome to Cherub Teaching Center. In today's episode, I'm going to train you another tip on spicing up your presentation. That means how you can make your presentation more effective in regards to the text. So, without wasting much of the time, I'm quickly going to take you over to it so that I may guide you how exactly you people may use this feature which is available in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so let's start over. So people, this is a short template that I have there with you, and let's say that the background of the picture has already been provided to you, and then you're asked, that is, to create font in regards to it. So first of all, in regards to it, what we exactly we have to do is, as I've already talked about in my last step 1, you need to create another slide. So that means you will be adding a blank slide into your presentation, and then what exactly you have to do is just copy this picture which you people already have, and then you paste it over here. So let's say that the heading or the title which has been provided to you by the client is disco lights. So we need to insert a text box, so we will go into the insert section, we will go to the text box out over here, and then I'm going to write down the word disco lights over here. Okay, so I've written the word disco lights, and then I have to make it a little bit broad so that my things should be actually visible. Moreover, the font size needs to be increased as well for better effectiveness, people. So this is exactly what we people have created. Now my background is there which has been shared to me by my client, and then I have added the text heading on the top of it, which has also been shared by the client itself. So now today what I'm going to do is I'm going to fragment this text. So fragmenting, if you understand, today what we exactly we are going to do is, whatever is the heading or the title which has been given to you, separate each and every alphabet which have been used into that, we are going to fragment it so that you can place the letters as per your wish. So how exactly we will be doing is, first of all, we have to hit the background picture, press the control key from your keyboard, and then press the text box on the top of it also. The moment you're going to do it, there will be two formatting tabs which will be highlighted. We need to select the first formatting tab, and then I'm going to go over here, which is the merge shape option. So in the merge shape option, we are going to go to the fragment section today. Okay, and the moment I'm going to do the fragment section, all the letters which is there in my title, they are going to be fragmented. So let me just show you. So you can see that each and every separate letter, it has been highlighted. So that's exactly what I'm going to do it now. So let me just make this heading a little bit small over here so that I should be able to show you exactly what this thing we are going to do it. Okay, so people, if I talk about now these texts, if I talk about now these texts, they have been fragmented, and the next step that we are going to do is, so you can drag your picture towards the right hand side like this, people. So I mean, this is what exactly it was. What I've done is I've dragged this picture to the right hand side so that I should be able to see it. Now these individual letters, they have been fragmented. Okay, and why I'm saying it is fragmented, because now you can see that the individual the orientation highlighting option is coming up. So how exactly we can do about is, how we can play about is, I can place the letter anywhere in my presentation depending upon my wish. Okay, so in case if I don't need this section, I can wipe it out. The next is disco, which I can place it over here. Similarly, S can go about over here, the C can come down, and then finally the O can come down. So this thing, if I talk about, you can use it and you can fragment your text depending upon your wish, and then you can orient the fragment or the individual letters any which ways, whichever way you people are expecting to do it. So this is how we fragment a text in a PowerPoint presentation, which you people may use it in order to make your presentation more effective. Okay, so I would now request you that those viewers who are watching my channel and who have not subscribed to my channel yet, I would request you to please quickly go ahead, subscribe to Cherub Teaching Center. There are more things which are coming up your way. In case of any queries, you can always reach me on my Instagram ID, which is cherub.teaching.center. You can also approach me on my Facebook ID, which is Cherub Teaching Center, or the Microsoft Teams, which is Cherubians. So just go ahead, try it yourself, and then see the wonders that you people can do it with the presentation text fragmentation. Thank you so much, people, for watching today's video, and have a nice day ahead.